Today I'm going to talk about 4 things you need to do once you turn 18. Let's get straight into it. First thing to do is get a credit card. This will help you build a good credit score, which will lower your interest rates, allowing you to borrow cheaper on a mortgage. To improve your credit score, you need to keep your spending between 10 and 30% of the limit on the credit card, and you need to pay back by the end of the month, every single month, to avoid paying interest. However, you need to be disciplined to not max out the credit card and to only buy what you're going to buy anyway. The second thing I have on here is open up a lifetime ISA. Now this only applies to people in the UK. What a lifetime ISA is basically a savings account where you pay in money and the government tops it up by 25%. You can then withdraw this money and with that 25% bonus to buy your first house or to retire. You can take out money from this before the age of retirement or for not buying a house, but you'll be charged a penalty of about 6% of your initial amount and you will not get your 25% bonus. Also, the maximum the government can give you per year is £1,000 towards your savings, which is on £4,000, 25%. The third thing I have on here is get a job. This will give you money through a paycheck and experience. Money at a young age means you have freedom to move out after college or university, for example, to look for a better career that pays more. However, getting a job will take time away from your studies or your free time. But the job doesn't have to be boring, you can pick a fun job. Now the last thing I have on here is a bit unusual, but you should learn to drive as soon as possible. In most countries you can do this before the age of 18, including the UK. Learning to drive at a young age gives you cheap insurance down the road, saving you money, and opens up more opportunities for jobs because some jobs require a driving license. However, this can be expensive, roughly £1,000 to £1,500 for your driving lessons and tests to get a license, and then your first year of driving will cost you at least £2,500 for a car and insurance, along with fuel, tax, MOT. Don't forget to like and subscribe because new videos will be posted at least twice a week.